Next theorem. This is 14th for today. The angles in alternate segments are always equal. Angles in an alternate segment is always equal. Suppose this is a circle. A tangent has been drawn. Chord has been drawn, which makes an angle, and its alternate segment. This is a segment which is being drawn. This is a center O. This we have joined. A, B. This point is C. This is X. This is Y. This is center O. This you have to prove. This we have to prove. Angle in an alternate angle. Angle ACX is equals to angle ABC. Angle ABC. Is this clear? Alternate angle. Then angle made by the tangent and a chord is equal to angle made by the chord with its alternate segment. You have to think it. First of all, join O with A and O with C. Is this clear? Now, OA is equals to OC. Therefore, angle opposite to them are always equal. This is X, so this will also be X. Angle OAC is equals to angle OCA, and I have marked with X. Is this clear? Followed or not? Any doubts? Now, from the center O to the C, what I have drawn? From O to C, a perpendicular is being drawn. Why? Because from the center to the tangent point C, the line which drawn is always perpendicular. It means that OC is perpendicular to XY. OC is perpendicular to XY. If we take this as A and we take this as B, so we can now say that angle XCA plus OCA is equal to 90 degree. Is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, we can say what we have taken this as A plus X is equals to 90 degree. This we can say now. Any doubts in this? Now, if we find this angle, what is the value of angle AOB? We know angle AOB plus angle X plus angle X is equals to 180 degree. So angle AOB is equals to 180 minus 2x, or we can say angle AOB is twice 90 minus x. Is there any problem? Any doubts? Angle AOC, actually it is not B, it is C. Angle AOC in a triangle. AOC. Angle AOC plus x is equals to 180 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 180 minus 2x. Angle AOC is twice angle AOB. Any doubts in this? Now this angle is twice angle ABC. Is twice angle ABC. Angle AOC is twice angle ABC. Angle in a same segment. So angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. In place of this AOC, what we can write? Twice angle ABC is equal to 290 minus x. 2 and 2 is cancelled. Now ABC we have taken as B. So what is the value of B? 90 minus x. What is the value of A? 90 minus x. So A is equal to B. When A is equal to, because both the values are 90 minus x. And what is A? A is ACX. And what is B? ABC. So we can say that angles in an alternate segment are always equal. Once again I am repeating. What we have proved? That a tangent has been drawn. From that one AC chord has been drawn. From the same segment a BC chord has been drawn. We have to prove that the angle in an alternate segment ACX is equal to ABC. So I marked this as small a. I marked ABC as small b. So generally you have to prove that A angle is equal to angle B. So this we have to prove. What we have done? Join OA with OC. OA is equal to OC, so angle opposite to them are equal. So they both are equal to x. Now we know that OC is perpendicular to xy. So A plus x is equal to how much? 90 degree. So A is equal to 90 minus x. Now we take in triangle AOC. In AOC plus angle x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 180 minus 2x. 2 is common, so angle AOC is equal to 290 minus x. According to the theorem, angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference when they are in a same segment. So angle AOC is equal to twice angle ABC. So that I have substituted. 2 and 2 is cancelled. ABC is small b. So b is equal to 90 minus x. Already we have proved that A is equal to how much? 90 minus x. So both are having the same value. A is equal to B, which proves that angle in an alternate segment are always equal.